I'll be honest, I've fallen behind on my studies. Like, properly behind. Not just I missed a lecture, I mean multiple things piling up, deadlines closing in, and that sinking feeling that you might never catch up. If you're in the same boat, I get it. But this isn't a video to make you feel worse. It's here to help you reset, refocus, and get back on track, with steps I'm using right now to get my own studies under control. Step 1. Accept where you are. When I first realized how behind I was, my brain went straight to guilt. I told myself I was lazy, undisciplined, incapable, all the usual stuff. But honestly, that didn't help at all. What did help was stepping back and asking, why did I fall behind? In my case, it was a mix of burnout, poor planning, and life just getting a bit too loud. So instead of blaming myself, I chose to understand the why, because understanding helps you break the pattern. Step 2. Reprioritize, don't panic. My first instinct was to try and catch up on everything all at once. Bad idea. That just made me more overwhelmed. So I made a list of everything I was behind on and started asking, what's urgent? What's important for my grades? What can I simplify or let go of? It wasn't easy, but choosing what to focus on helped me breathe again. You don't have to do everything, just the right things. Step 3. Create a simple catch-up plan. I created a basic weekly plan, not some perfect aesthetic one, just something realistic. I blocked out 1 to 2 hours a day to chip away at the backlog, mixing subjects to keep things fresh. And I reminded myself, this isn't about cramming, it's about rebuilding. Slowly. Consistently. Even if I could only catch up on one thing a day, that's still one more than yesterday. Step 4. Use focus tools to build momentum. I used the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. That structure made studying feel less intimidating. I'd literally tell myself, just do 1 Pomodoro. That's it. And once I did it, I usually kept going. It's weird how your brain resists starting, but once you're in motion, it actually wants to keep going. Step 5. Start with a small win. One thing that helped massively, starting with something easy. There was a short quiz I'd been avoiding, not because it was hard, but because I felt behind in that module. So I did that first. And it gave me the tiniest bit of confidence back. That's what small wins do. They remind you that you're still capable. Step 6. Track progress visibly. I started checking things off a list physically, like actually ticking boxes with a pen. And it sounds silly, but it made me feel like I was making progress. Sometimes you need to see your comeback happening to believe it's real. Step 7. Stay consistent, not perfect. Not every day has gone smoothly. I still get distracted, I still have slow days. But I've stopped trying to be perfect. Now I focus on showing up. Even if I just study for 30 minutes, I count that as a win. Perfection burns you out. Consistency builds you up. Look, I'm still catching up too. I don't have it all together, but I'm moving forward. And so can you. You don't have to do it all today. You just have to start. Fall behind? Okay, start again. That's the mindset. 1 small step today, and another one tomorrow. You've got this. And if you ever forget that, come back to this video, I'll remind you. Drop a comment, and let me know what your next small win is going to be. I'll be cheering you on.